Welcome to a world where health meets flavor. Today's star is tempeh, a remarkable food that enhances your protein intake significantly. This fermented soybean cake from Indonesia redefines the standard for protein-rich foods, boasting a protein content that leaves eggs in the dust. Just 3 ounces of tempeh deliver approximately 30 grams of protein versus the 6 grams found in a large egg. Imagine the incredible fuel this powerhouse provides as you embark on your daily activities or workouts. Tempeh not only meets your protein needs, but it also supplies all 9 essential amino acids critical for your body's functioning. The benefits of tempeh extend far beyond just protein. Its unique fermentation process introduces a treasure trove of probiotics, promoting gut health and aiding digestion. Visualize a thriving ecosystem within your digestive tract, thanks to these beneficial bacteria working tirelessly to keep you feeling balanced and energetic. Moreover, tempeh is a fiber-rich food, offering a substantial amount of dietary fiber that not only supports digestion, but also keeps you full longer, curbing those mid-afternoon cravings. Incorporating tempeh into your meals is a fun and delightful experience. Picture yourself mixing it in stir-fries, grilling it to a beautiful golden brown, or crumbling it into fresh salads and wrap creations. Its ability to absorb flavors from marinades and spices transforms each dish into a delectable masterpiece. Whether you're a vegetarian searching for meat alternatives or a meat lover curious about plant-based options, tempeh provides the ultimate solution. What's more, tempeh doesn't just stop at protein and gut health. It's also rich in essential minerals like iron and calcium. As you savor this delicious food, you're also fortifying your body with the nutrients it craves. Each bite is an opportunity to nourish your body while enjoying a satisfying flavor experience. So, when you're brainstorming high-protein meals, remember that tempeh will stand out as a versatile, nutritious option that not only supports your muscle health but boosts your overall well-being. Next time you're looking for a protein punch without eggs, let tempeh take center stage on your plate. Your muscles will express their gratitude and your gut will sing praises. And if you're eager to learn more about tempeh or discover other high-protein foods that can enhance your diet, just reach out and let the culinary adventure begin.